Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about to be again, but in future tense. In the last lesson I explained you about to be in present tense and simple past tense. But now I'm going to explain it about to be in future tense or will be. We use will be for all subjects. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, and we will be. And after will be should be followed by noun, adjective, and adverb. Adverb here can be adverb of time and adverb of place. Well, now let's see. I will be here tomorrow. You will be there tomorrow. He will be a good man. She will be a good teacher. It will be important for us. We will be there. They will be here tonight. It is in positive statement. What about the negative? We just use not after will be for all subject. I will not be here tonight. You will be there. I will not be here tonight. You will not be there. She will not be a good teacher. She will not be a nurse. It will be not, it will not be important for us. We will not be here. They will not be in Tokyo. Okay? What about in question forms? We just use to be before the subject. Will I be here tonight? Will you be there? Will he be a doctor? Will she be a nurse? Will it be a good day tonight? Will we be very serious? Will they be good men? Well, I think that's all. If you like this video, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.